everybody, welcome to my kitchen. It's Elizabeth here, and I am so excited to be able to educate people who are looking to install an Ion faucet in their kitchen for their ionizer. So we have the Platinum here, which is my favorite machine, and we are going to install a little faucet right here called an Ion Faucet that's going to make it really easy to just turn on and turn off our Kangen water. And that way we're not disrupting this faucet here, and it makes it really nice to utilize both waters at the same time if needed. Parts that come with the Ion faucet, and these are them. And what I found after doing a few of these is that these pieces right here that are plastic and that I don't always trust these little plastic compression, can be replaced by this one hose. It's an ice maker hose. It's 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch, and they have them in this flexi plastic or else this metal snake one. And these, to me, I trust more than these plastic parts. So that's just my personal preference. You can do whatever you'd like, but these hoses right here at Lowe's and Home Depot go for about $14, $15 each. So the first step is to turn off the cold water, and you'll do that by coming under the sink. I've already cleared out under our sink, and you're going to find the cold water nozzle and turn it to the right until it doesn't turn anymore. It's really important that you check to make sure that it was the cold water that you turned off. You can do that by turning on the faucet to see if cold water comes out, or any water, but the hot water should still be coming out of the faucet, and you can do that just by testing it. If cold water is coming out, then you've turned the wrong nozzle. Next, we're gonna attach the brass T adapter to the cold water line. We've already got it hooked on right here, and on this side we're going to reattach the cold water line. So one part of installing an Ion faucet is that a hole is drilled next to the sink, but sometimes there's a dishwasher aerator here or something that can be removed. So that was the case with this hole, is that there was a dishwasher aerator here that I actually zip tied up underneath, and I'll take a picture and show you that. But in order to install it, we just take the Ion faucet, and this little piece comes to basically make it look pretty, but we just sink that right in at top. And underneath, what's going to happen is we're going to be taking this washer and this nut and basically screwing it up underneath here, just like this, underneath the sink, and it's going to hold this faucet in place.
Nice.
Alright, so after you've installed the brass T diverter to the cold water line and you've installed your Ion faucet, you're now ready to attach the hose. So one end goes to the brass T adapter, the other goes to the bottom of the Ion faucet. If you're utilizing the adapters and hose provided by Ion Faucet, simply attach the all-white compression adapter at the water source to the brass T adapter, and attach the white and blue compression adapter to the bottom of the Ion Faucet attachment. Then press the plastic hose into both compression adapters. Once the 1/4 inch ice maker hose is attached, then you're ready to hook up your Kangen water device. So go ahead and take the water in hose, attach it right here to the Ion faucet, I gotta show you guys how easy this is.
It's awesome.
Look at that. Plug in your device. There we go. Make sure the hoses are good. Acidic hose right here. And turn on the cold water and I'll show you what happens next. So everything's hooked up and look at that. With just a little turn of this knob, I am able to get my Kangen water. And make sure you adjust the flow too. Sometimes the water pressure can be too high underneath, affecting up here, but when you want good antioxidants, you gotta run the water slower, not faster. And not too fast, you know, just right. I really hope this video helps out if you're installing an Ion faucet for a Kangen Water Ionizer. Look for us for future informational videos, or if you'd like to reach out, you can visit us at kangenculture.org. You can send me an email at kangenelizabeth@gmail.com. And I hope you have a fabulous day, and don't forget to drink your water.